In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build workflows. Intro. By the end of this guide, you'll understand how to move from a simple idea to a structured, efficient workflow using Asana's built-in tools and integrations. This process will help you organize your work, reduce manual effort, and keep everything running smoothly from start to finish. Start by opening your browser and heading to the Asana login page. Enter your account credentials and sign in, completing any additional verification steps if required. Once you're inside, you'll land on your homepage, where you can see your recent tasks and projects. Take a moment to confirm you're in the correct workspace before moving forward. Before creating anything, spend a little time planning your process. Clearly define how your work flows from beginning to end. Think about the stages your tasks will move through, such as intake, review, approval, and completion. Visualizing these stages early helps you build a workflow that feels logical and easy to follow. It's also important to define your goal. Be specific about what you want your workflow to achieve, whether it's improving turnaround time, reducing errors, or keeping approvals consistent. Having a clear objective will guide your setup and help you measure success later on. Next, identify the people involved in the workflow. Determine who will handle tasks, who will review them, and who will approve the final output. Assigning clear roles ensures accountability and keeps everyone aligned. It's also helpful to decide who needs full access and who only needs visibility. Now you're ready to build your workflow in Asana. Create a new project and give it a clear, meaningful name. Choose a layout that matches your process, whether it's a list or board view. Then set up sections that represent each stage of your workflow. Add a few sample tasks so you can test how everything flows from one stage to the next. To bring your workflow to life, open the Workflow Builder and define how tasks move through your project. Set up simple triggers and actions, such as moving tasks when certain conditions are met. Start with a basic setup and refine it over time as your process evolves. You can further enhance your workflow by adding forms for consistent task intake, rules to automate repetitive actions, and approvals to manage decision points. Finally, connect your everyday tools so updates, notifications, and scheduling happen seamlessly without extra effort. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.